Okay, what I wanted to go over is your homework assignment. This is from assignment number 5, looping. And what we have here is this is actually part of the assignment. This is 1D, and it says put out the output. So anytime you look at any of those A, B, C, D, E, and F, it says put out the output. It says when it says output, what is going to appear on the screen. So I'm going to kind of show you how to do this with D. And this one here is a nested loop. So if we look right here, here's a while. Let's see, and it goes down to here, and here's one. Oops, it goes to here. Now this is the inner loop, and this is the outer loop. So we have two loops, an inner loop and an outer loop. And that's what we're going to do. And what we want to do is, if you look at this piece of pseudocode, the question becomes, what is this going to put out? So let's look at the beginning. And what we're actually going to do is called desk checking. We're going to walk through it as if we were the computer, line by line, and check to see what we get. So if we look right here, it says j equals 2. So right here, I'm going to put a 2 for j. K equals 4. Okay. M is 0. And N is 7. Now what this is I just put the variables that are going to be modified by the code, I guess I would say. And this would be looking like, okay, somewhere in memory we're going to have a J. We're going to identify it as J, and it's going to have a 2 in it. Somewhere in memory we're going to have address identified as K. It's going to have a 4 in it. M will have a 0 in it, and N will have a 7 in it. Okay, so now we go here, and we go while J is less than K. So I look at J. Is it less than K? Yeah, it is. Okay, so we're good. So we're going to enter the loop. This is true. So we enter the loop. First thing it says M equals 5. Okay, so let me get rid of this 0. And now M is equal to 5. Okay, and the next line says while M is less than N. Is M less than N? Yep, it is. 5 is less than 7. It says output X. And so somewhere down here, I will put, let's see, let's get down here. I'll put an X. Okay, so we output X. M is M plus 1. Okay, so M now becomes 6. And then the end while. Well, this end while takes us back up to here, right here. So we say, okay, is M less than N? Is 6 less than 7? Yes, it is. Okay, output X. So I'm going to output another X. M is M plus 1. Okay, so this becomes a 7. And while. Okay, we go back up to here. Is M less than N? No, it's not. So we skip over, go down to the end while. So we skip over and go right to here. So we skip over the body because it's no longer true, it's false. It says J equals J plus 1. Oh, okay, so J becomes 3. And now we have the end while, so we go back up to here. It says while J is less than K. J is less than K. Yeah, it is. Oh, look at that. M equals 5 again because we enter the body. So we come over here. Equals 5 again. And then we enter the inner loop again. While M is less than N. Well, yep. M is 5 is less than 7. Output X. Okay. Boom. Boom. M is M plus 1. Okay, this becomes 6. Okay, we hit the end while. We go back up. While M is less than N. 6 is less than 7. So this is true. Output X. M is M plus 1. Okay, that becomes 7. And while we go back up to here, is 7 less than 7? No, it's not. So we jump down to here. We jump over the body. J equals J plus 1. So this becomes a 4. And while we come back up to here, while J is less than K, is 4 less than 4? No, it's not. So we jump over the body and we end up down here. And it says output J, which is 4. Output K, which is 4, output M, which is 7, and output N, which is 7. So the answer to this one is XXXX4477. And right here, that's the answer. So that's the answer to 1D. And you do all the other ones like this. The easiest way to do it, and the only way I know to do basically, is to put your variables at the top. And as you walk through the code, just change them as they change. Anytime it says an output, put it down at the bottom somewhere. And you can do all the problems in part 1 like that. Now, some of the problems, I think the first ones are not nested loops, they're just straight regular loops. And then as we get into probably D, E, and F, I think they're nested loops, something like that. So hopefully this helps you with the homework. Again, any questions, put it on the discussion board or email me. And thanks for watching.